Trading the U.S. market requires structure, discipline, and consistency. This system is designed to automate the process while keeping you fully in control. From decision to execution, every step is structured. The ScanBot analyzes the market, filters opportunities, and identifies the best candidates. The BridgeBot then selects a small number of top setups and transmits them to the entry bot. You can validate or let the system run. The entry bot executes trades automatically, and the risk bot manages every position with predefined risk controls and dynamic trailing. Automation handles execution while you remain in control. The ScanBot analyzes over 900 U.S. large-cap stocks every night. It systematically identifies high-probability setups based on predefined technical rules. No action is required. The BridgeBot selects the top candidates from the ScanBot output and automatically updates the entry bot parameters. No action is required. Before the market opens, the system is automatically restarted to ensure a stable and clean trading environment. A quick verification is required: system status, authentication, and parameters. The entry bot prepares for execution and waits for the market to open. At market open, orders are placed automatically based on predefined allocation rules. No action is required. As the market opens, positions are executed and secured immediately. The risk bot manages each position with take profit, stop loss, and trailing mechanisms. It continuously monitors and protects positions throughout the session. The U.S. market session ends. Open positions remain fully managed without any human involvement. The system continues to monitor and manage positions until the next scheduled reboot. During the trading session, you can get an instant view of your portfolio at any time. Snapshot and cash insights are available on demand. Build your own automated trading system and stay in control. Links in the description. Thank you for watching. For a real-time view, watch the live US session video.